everyone, welcome back to 8th standard maths class. We are learning the chapter construction of quadrilateral. In the previous video we have learned how to draw rhombus inside a rectangle. Okay, now let's move on to next activity from the same section, parallelogram, that is rhombus. So from page number 117 let's start. So here is your first question. Two equal rhombuses. Here in this question, this is a rough figure what we need to draw. Here diagonal measurement is given, two equal rhombuses, and side is not given. Instead of the sides, what is given? Diagonal is given. One diagonal of the rhombus is given, that is 3 centimeter, and this angle, these two angles are 80 degree. That is the only measurement given. And we know rhombus means all the sides are equal. Okay, now if we consider this half portion, this is 80 degree, this will be what? Isosceles triangle. Okay, so isosceles triangle means this is 80 degree. What will be these two angles? That means angles from the diagonal will be what? 180 minus 80 by 2. Okay, that will be the angle. 180 minus 80 by 2. So 180 minus 80 is what? It is 100. 100 by 2 is 50 degree. So these two angles will be 50 degree. By using that we can draw the figure. So for that, first of all, let's draw the diagonal, because diagonal is a given measurement. So first draw diagonal 3 centimeter. Using scale and pencil, draw 3 centimeter diagonal. Okay, and mark the end points of this diagonal. Now from both of these end points you have to measure this 50 degree. This is 3 centimeter. From here and here you have to measure 50 degree. So using protractor, keep protractor at first point and measure 50 degree. 50 degree is here. Okay, then from the second point also measure 50 degree. Okay, 50 degree is here. Now we don't know the measurement. Okay, measurement we don't know, so just join the points from first point to second point. Let's join. First join the first 50 degree, then join the next 50 degree, like this. Okay, now you got first position. Here these two no needed, that you can rub. Okay, only this much is enough. So this is the first part of this rhombus. Now from this part you have to complete the remaining. That means take the protractor. Okay, take your protractor and measure this length. Now you got one side of the rhombus, so that you can measure in your compass. Then using that measurement, draw two arcs from that two endpoints to both the sides, like this. Now you got one point here. Okay, now join that 2 points. So that is the first rhombus. So join first point like this, then join second 2 points like this. Now we got one rhombus. So this is 3 centimeter. This angle will be what? 80 degree. These two angles will be 50 and 50. The same rhombus we have to draw in the down parts also. So for that, just extend these two sides. No need to measure again. Just extend these two measures towards down, like this. Okay. Now we know one side of the rhombus. Now that means we already measured in compass, like this. Now from this corner point, draw one arc in the first line. Then from the same point, draw one arc in the next line. So we got two lines here. Now from the same point, measure two arcs like this. Okay, listen carefully. One arc like this. Then second arc like this. Now join from the point. Just join all the points like this. Now you can join these diagonals also, like this. Now you got two rhombuses. These two portions you can rub. So this is 80 degree, means this will also be 80 degree. This line will be 3 centimeter. These two sides, and the remaining two sides will also be equal. So this is the method to draw the first figure, two equal rhombuses. Now let's do the second one. Next is 3 equal rhombuses with one angle 60 degree and side as 2 centimeter. Here we have to draw 3 equal rhombuses. Okay, 3 equal rhombuses. Just a rough figure you just note down in the website. Then here 3 equal rhombuses with one angle 60 degree and side is 2 centimeter. This much is given. We have to draw this figure. So in order to draw this, method is, first of all, draw a circle with a radius 2 centimeter because side is 2 centimeter. So let's draw a circle with a radius 2 centimeter. For that, measure 2 centimeter in the compass using scale. Measure 2 centimeter in your compass first. Okay, then using that measurement, draw a circle like this. Like this, draw a circle and mark the center point. Okay, mark the center of the circle also. Now from that circle, draw a diameter horizontally. Okay, draw a diameter horizontally like this. One diameter. Okay, now take your protractor. This diameter is this portion. Okay, check the rough figure also. This is the diameter here. Now here, from this center point 160 degree we have to measure. So take your protractor. Keep your protractor at the center point. Protractor's middle point at the center like this and measure 60 degree from both the side. Okay, 60 degree from first side, it is here. Now from second side also you can measure 60 degree, that is here. Now draw that 60 degree, only inside the circle is enough. Okay, so only inside the circle. So measure 60 degree, keep the pencil like this and draw 60 degree line inside the circle enough. Only inside the circle. Now second 60 degree, keep your pencil like this, then draw 60 degree inside the circle. No need to extend to outside, only this much is enough. Okay, now we have to draw to the upwards also. That means just extend these two lines towards up also. So keep the scale like this also, then towards up draw like this. Then from the second point also towards up draw like this. Now we need to complete this. For that, take your compass. We already measured 2 centimeter in the compass, isn't it? Now to complete this, in the upper part we have to draw these two sides. That means these two are the points. So keep your pinpoint at this point, then draw 2 centimeter like this. Then from the second point also draw an arc of 2 centimeter. Now from these two sides also, that means these two are the circles. So from this point draw one arc like this. Now from the second point also draw an arc like this. It's not joined, so draw once more like this. Okay, now from the same with the same measurement draw an arc from the second point also. One arc like this, then second arc like this. Okay, now we got points. Now join all the points. So this is a point here. Just join these 2 points using scale. Join these 2 points like this. Now from the second 2 points also join. After joining everything, you will get figure like this. Okay, here 3 equal rhombuses. The remaining portion you can rub. Okay, so this is the second one's answer. Now let's move on to third one. Next is 4 equal rhombuses with one angle 45 degree and side as 2 centimeter. Third figure also you can draw the same like the second figure. So here it is 4 equal rhombuses with the 2 centimeter as side and one angle 45 degree. So first of all, draw a circle like this with a 2 centimeter as radius. After drawing this circle, draw one diameter like this. Okay, a slanted diameter. One diameter like this you can draw. Now from this diameter you have to measure 45 degree. Okay, because all the central angles are 45 degree here. So using protractor, measure 45 degree from both ends. Keep the protractor like this. Okay, keep your protractor like this and measure 45 degree from both ends. First end 45 degree here, second end 45 degree here. Now join that two points. Only inside the circle is enough. So through the center point, draw 45 degree inside like this. Okay, now only one is enough, no need to draw two. So by joining two arc in these 2 points, you will get 2 equal rhombuses. That means the perpendicular 2 equal rhombuses you will get. Now let's draw the horizontal rhombuses. So for that, first let's finish these two. So measure 2 centimeter, because the side is what, 2 centimeter is the side. So measure 2 centimeter in the compass. Then draw 2 arc from both of these ends. Okay, draw 2 arc from both these ends. Keep your compass like this. Draw one arc here. Then keep your compass in the next point and draw one arc here like this. So you will get 1 point. Now from here also draw 2 centimeter arc first. Then from the second point also draw one arc. Now let's join that points. Like this you can join. So after finishing that, you got 2 rhombuses. Okay, 2 rhombuses here you got. Now we need to draw these 2 rhombuses. So for that, draw another diameter. After leaving a space from the first diameter, draw another diameter like this. Okay, another diameter. Now same like the previous case, keep your protractor like this. Then measure 45 degree from one end. Okay, measure 45 degree from one end. From this side, let's measure 45 degrees. So measure first keep the protractor at the central point. Then measure 45 degrees. So 45 degrees here in this point. Now join that 2 points. Through the central point, draw the next diameter. Okay, so the next diameter will be like this. Next diameter. Now same like the previous case, let's join the end points. So 2 centimeter diameter from both ends. We can mark 2 centimeter first like this. Then next to 2 centimeter. Now join. So again draw. So first one. Then to draw the second one from this point, draw one 2 centimeter like this. Now from the second point also 2 centimeter like this. Now join these 2 points. So here we got 4 equal rhombuses. Okay, each rhombuses with one angle 45 degree and side as 2 centimeter. Okay, now let's move on to next question. 4th one try to do as homework. Now let's do 5th one. Next question number 5. 4 rhombuses around a square with the side as 2 centimeter. So in question number 5, we have to draw 4 equal rhombuses around a square. Okay, a square in the middle. Now from all the 4 sides of the square, we have to draw 4 equal rhombuses with the side as 2 centimeter. Okay, now here when you check this, you can see that the square side also 2 centimeter. So we know square means one angle 90 degrees. So first of all, draw a square with side as 2 centimeter. After drawing the square, next step is through the diagonal. Okay, one diagonal like this. Keep scale in one diagonal and extend a line to both ends. Okay, from both the opposite corners, draw a line like this. Now we know here side is what, 2 centimeter. Okay, side is 2 centimeter. So measure 2 centimeter in the compass. After measuring 2 centimeter in the compass, draw an arc from each corner in that line. Okay, 2 centimeter arc in both the side. Like this you can draw one arc. Now you got 2 points in this line. Okay, mark that 2 points like this. Now with the same measurement, okay, with the same measurement, draw 2 arc from one point, that means from this point and from this point. Consider one side of the square. Draw 2 centimeter arc here, then 2 centimeter arc from this point also, like this. Okay, now you can see that these two arc join at a common point. Mark that point also. Now join these 2 points. First join these 2 points like this, then join that points to the one end of the square, like this. Okay, so we got one rhombus. Similarly, consider the next side, that means this side you can consider. If you consider this side, this endpoint and this endpoint you have to consider. Now draw one arc in this side. Now from this endpoint also draw one arc with the same 2 centimeter measurement. Okay, no change in that 2 centimeter side. So draw an arc like this. Now you got one point, join these 2 points. Similarly, if you consider this side, that means consider this base side, endpoints are this one and this one. So draw an arc here also like this. Now from the end of the line, draw an arc like this. Okay, now we need to draw here also. That means the endpoints are, if you consider this side of the square, already one side from this endpoint, so the remaining is this endpoint and the point in this line. So draw one arc like this. Look carefully, otherwise you can't understand. Okay, draw an arc like this. Now join all these points. From each side you have to join like this. After drawing all the arc points, you will get a figure like this. That means a square inside and around the square 4 equal rhombuses. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 rhombuses are equal with side as 2 centimeter. So this is 5th one answer. Now let's do 6th one. Next is parallelogram on 2 sides of a square with the one side 2 centimeter, next side 3 centimeter and one angle 45 degree. Now to draw this figure, here one square with the side as 3 centimeter and around the 2 side of this square we have to draw a parallelogram, that is with 2 centimeter as one side. Now this side is same as 3 centimeter because it is a part of square. So 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter parallelogram with one angle 45 degree. 2 parallelogram we have to draw around this square. Now here if this 45 degree, the next angle will be what? We know sum of these 2 angles are what? 180 degree. So if one angle is 45 degree, the second angle will be 180 minus 45 degree, that is 135 degree is the second angle. Now to draw this figure, first of all draw a square of side 3 centimeter. Draw a square of side 3 centimeter. Okay, this is a square of side 3 centimeter. Now from one end of this square you have to measure 45 degree. Okay, from one end measure 45 degree and from the second end measure 135 degree using protractor. So take your protractor and keep the protractor in one end. Okay, keep your protractor in one end and measure 45 degree. First measure 45 degree, then from this end measure 135 degree. So first angle we got, that is 45 degree. Now keep the protractor in the second point and measure 135 degree. Okay, measure 135 degree and mark the point. After measuring 2 angles, we need 2 centimeter in these 2 sides because parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So this is 3 centimeter means the upper side will also be 3 centimeter and these 2 slanting sides will be 2 centimeter. So measure 2 centimeter in the compass first. Measure 2 centimeter in the compass and draw 2 arc in these 2 lines. First 2 centimeter, then from the second point also 2 centimeter. Now join these 2 points. Now we got first rhombus. Okay, first parallelogram we got. Now to draw the second parallelogram. Second parallelogram is this measurement. That means this longest side must be 3 centimeter and this short side must be 2 centimeter. So already we have measured 2 centimeter in the compass. So using that 2 centimeter, draw an arc from this end point. Okay, 2 centimeter point. Draw an arc here. Then measure 3 centimeter in the compass. Next is measure 3 centimeter in the compass and draw an arc from this end point. 3 centimeter arc here. Okay, again 2 centimeter measurement we need. Extend this, then only it will join. Okay, so we got point here. Now join this point to this arc joining point and from here also join. You will get a figure. So this is the figure 2 parallelogram. This is 2 centimeter side. Here also 2 centimeter. This is 3. Here also 3. This is also 2 centimeter. Okay, so this is the method to draw sixth one. So let's stop here. Hope you understand. Thank you. See you in the next video with the next section.